fun. Took my sibbies to the beach, you know. I try to be a good older sister sometimes. Now we're just trying to find, I think we should just walk through here. Now we're just trying to find the rest of mi familia so we can join them and have some fun in the sun. Just look for some light-skinned people. I want to go on it. It'll be so fun. Oh, never mind. Don't have to look for them. Found them. And yeah. So we're here. We're going to go in the water. And yeah, later days, I guess. You know, afterwards. What? Where's your stuff? Where's your stuff?
Here, right here.
Okay, so right here. I'm gonna go in the water. Okay? Okay, bye.
No, not right now. We can't do it now. Jesus. Mom, are you sure you want to be in the picture like that? Forever.
I just took a video. It's a video.
Know your name.
So we found this cute little girl at the beach. I think I'm gonna take her home. She's so cute. We don't know what her name is.
One, aka Fun, aka Jamie, aka
Danila. We asked her what her name was and she said Fun.
aka Shanae, aka Jamaican girl.
She don't want nobody to touch her things them. She don't want them to go in her water.
Why? Because she make the rules. Yo, she's a baby. You guys understand? She's a baby.
She's so well mannered.
Right. She's talking like that.
She said thank you. Thank you.
20.
Here, look, I'm gonna give you another one.
How old are you?
Thank you.
How old are you? How old are you?
How old are you? How old are you? One?
One? She's not one.
Yeah.
She's counting.
6,
Red Daddy.
8.
10! Yay!
Red Mommy.
It's nothing to walk magic.
Where's mommy? Where's mommy?
It's nothing to walk magic.
Too much what?
Red Daddy.
Too much magic.
Red Daddy.
Too much magic.
Black magic.
I know, right? She's digging her bucket.
No?
I love how her mouth moves. You cannot take that.
What's your name though?
Oh my gosh! Let me tell you, we got attacked. Oh my god! We got attacked by flying fish. Okay.
Definitely got attacked.
I wish I could have recorded it, but I couldn't have. We got attacked, me and Shamika. We got attacked by flying fish. Like, they thought I was drowning. Okay.
Because she went down too far, and then I had to help her.
And all of a sudden, okay, I'm the one that can swim amongst the two of us, okay?
All of a sudden,
Can I have some of your juice,
of course. All of a sudden, the fish just came and attacked us.
And then you had to run away, swim away,
Flip-flopped on her face.
and hold on to Shamika. Because Shamika can't swim.
See, I told you.
Wait, no, you can,
I can
you can
swim.
You can swim.
Yo, you know what? I noticed that I'm a better swimmer than I thought.
Yeah, you're pretty good.
No?
I can't take some.
No, don't do that.
You can't do that. Why? I want
Because it's
some.
Earth. You're about to say you can
Say hi to the camera, sweetie. Hey,
Jamie.
I'm taking a picture.
Jamie, say hi. Wave.
Say hi. Hi. So cute.
Hurry up now.
Watch your mouth around.
Shoot.
What happened?
It's heavy.
Nothing.
She was just faking.
Because it's Earth. Can I have one?
lunch.
Yeah.
She only wants you to add. She don't want you to subtract.
Bloody miles. Subtraction.
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 Did you watch that movie?
And all types of.
You must get whipped.
Let me go. Let me go. Grandma. Let me go. Let me go. Keep
What you say, I'm okay. What you say, I'm okay.